We're going to talk about things to think about with spaying and neutering of chinchillas. Chinchillas can be territorial, especially if you're trying to have two males that live together. Allowing an unneutered male and a female to live together can cause unwanted pregnancies, which is never a good idea. Males tend to fight with each other, even after living together for years, so there's no guarantee that they'll always be friends. Spaying or neutering a chinchilla always has some risk, especially to their small size. You never want to withhold food from a chinchilla before they go into surgery. You want to make sure that they're eating all the way up until they go under, and then when they come back out again, you want to get them eating again as soon as possible. When it comes to spaying and neutering a chinchilla, you want to find an exotic veterinarian that knows what they're doing, that's done this type of procedure before. You want to make sure that they're comfortable with this. And afterwards, you want to make sure that the chinchilla is kept in a small cage with no ledges to jump on, and then also a towel. You might need to get a small heating lamp if possible. They lose a lot of body temperature when they go under anesthesia, and this will help them stay warm while their body's recovering. But always make sure that if you do get a heating lamp, that it's pointed in a corner of the cage so that if they want to, they can get out of the heat and cool down a little bit if it gets too hot. If your chinchilla doesn't want to eat after they come home, you can mix a little bit of lukewarm water in with the pellets and then just draw it up in a syringe, and then you can hand feed them slowly. Put a small amount in the chinchilla's mouth in the side, a little bit at a time, and just let them swallow it. Do this every 2 to 3 hours until they're eating on their own. In 2 to 3 weeks after a spaying or neutering surgery, your chinchilla should be getting back to normal and feeling better. Once they're fully healed, then you're going to be able to put them back with their cage mate again, let them go back to the normal activities. There is no guarantee, however, that spaying or neutering a chinchilla is going to make them get along with the one that you want them to live with, but chances are going to be much better that they're going to be able to live in harmony at that point. Stay with us for the next segment, and we're going to talk about digestive issues.